It's right here. I don't. Yeah, it's very because they don't have signs. I have to look for a specific building. It's kind of yeah. The only thing I don't like about it here. Yeah, it's supposed to be next to like a party shop. Yeah, this is too way too big. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's not. Here it's supposed to be. Yeah, that's not. No.
I love you. Thank you.
Oh no, it's not. No, it's not here. Yeah, I just hate how they don't have signs. Have to like keep. It's on this. It's actually all right. That's right there. I see it. It's on the right
Mama
side.
turned that down.
Oh, it's on the right side. Oh, okay, I was right. It's like. There we go.
I love my mom and dad. Just don't.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, it's like what's across the street. Yeah, I guess I come from the other direction. Yeah, no, it's just, yeah, Fairfield. I mean, it's okay. It's just not easy to find stuff. I mean, it's yeah, but. Oh boy, okay, yeah, it's right there. It's on the right side. Yeah, it's like towards the end over here. Right here. Signs blocked over here. So yeah, it's right here. Yeah, it's like right. Yeah, they share a building with a buying shop. So it's kind of. I think it's the store right here, I believe.
Thank you.
Is it? Oh yeah, no, it's
There's. I have no idea where we are.
yeah, it's over here. Yeah, it's like a buying shop over here, and the actual place like right next door to it. There we go.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Where will I find you?
Oh yeah. No, I'll probably be right here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stop slamming the door. Damn. How many fucking times do I have to tell you not to slam the door? Damn. He's so fucking impatient too. No patience, no fucking. Damn, he repeats himself like fucking crazy. It's like, dude, shut the fuck up. Damn. Shut the fuck up. No fucking patience with this guy. Fucking sick of this. Damn. Hate working with people like that. No fucking patience. No matter how many times you tell the person, they still fucking do it. It's like, dude, stop. Damn, stop fucking slamming doors. Fuck's sake. Damn. Jeez, fucking annoying. It's like, if you're gonna keep doing that, get the fuck out of my car. I don't care who you are. Sheesh, fucking annoying. Oh, sheesh.